Hey, good morning. My name is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2024 Bennington. This is a 22-foot fishing model. Exterior colors on this one are the silver with the new anthracite. That's a new color for 2024 for Bennington. This also is the S series model, which is also a brand new boat, redesigned for 2024. We'll take a look around. This exact boat's a pontoon with a 115 Yamaha SHO motor. Give you a nice brief overview of the boat here, and then we'll climb aboard and go over some of the features. All right, guys, we'll enter it on the back of the boat, so we'll go over it first. This model is specific to the 4-point fishing. So you've got the angler fish station right here with a 20-inch live well. It is recirculating and aerating. Got 2 rod holders on the back, a ski tow bar for those who want to do the tow sports. You also have rod holders on each side, fillet knife holders, some plier holders. So it's been a really good job going over, the necessities needed for fishing on the back of the boat. We also have this little angler fish station here. Right here is where you can put some of your tackle, and you also got 2 fold-down drawers to put more tackle. So they really utilize all the space they can for this specific model. When you walk on up through here, you've got your standard L-shaped bench for those who want to lounge, relax, and enjoy the lake. Removable table here. You can take it out, stow it away. Moving over to the helm, again, is redesigned for 2024. We've got the 7-inch shim rad in here with the fish finder and depth finder. It's got the upgraded Rockford PMX2 stereo system. Of course, the Yamaha binnacle over there on the side. And then all your toggle switches for all your accessories and all on the boat. Also new is a nice little phone holder over here. Moving up to the front now. Like I said earlier, it's the 4-point fishing, so you've got 2 more seats up front. You've got 4 more places to store rods on each side. And also what's really nice is it's set up for the trolling motor already. So you got a trolling motor plug here, battery installation there, rod holders up front, and then on the other side, this is more of a recirculating, aerating bait well as well. And then the trolling motor gate on the front. It's the half gate, so it allows for easy access for a trolling motor. Again, guys, this is a 2024 model Bennington 22 fish. It is available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call or look at us up on the web at www.marinemax.com. Have a great day.